Hello guys, we'll be teaching you, I'll be lecturing you on how to import materials, objects, or whatever in your Revit. Maybe if there is this material or object you want to use and you saw it in the site after downloading it in your computer, how to bring it into your Revit design, to make use of it. So the only thing you do is you simply go to down here. When you pick up here, you go when you pick here, you go here. This display user media. You click on it. When you click on it, then you come here. You click this. You can see it. You can see where I'm pointing. So when you click this, you just come here and you say this plus sign, you just go here and you find where you have saved what you want to import to your design. Let's say we want to, there is this one I have, okay, this Atlantis media, let me see, but I need to find more, recent stuff. Okay, but let me just use it for our, so you look for it, the media. Okay, this is it, media Atlantis. So you just click on it. When you click on it, it has expanded. So you look for exactly the one you want. Let's say we want to take a material from transport. You click on transport, it expands, and let's say we want to take it from truck. You click on truck and they expand. You click on this convert. Okay, let's just click on that truck and you just say okay. You say okay. So you have seen it. You have seen what you want. This is exactly what you want. You can see the truck. You can see the file's name. This is truck. So with that, you can use any of these objects now on your drawing. So let's bring in another one. You can see this truck. This is the file, the truck. So if you want to get another, you still go here and maybe you want to get train. You click to train and you say okay. You can see that the train has also come. So you click here, you can see train. You can see whatever you want to use. So when you close this and you come here, you can see this is train because it is clicked here. So when you click here, you see both the train and others. You see both the train and other materials you have imported here. So these are imported materials. So you use this media, this to import your material. So whatever you see here is your imported material. You can also import it through, you can also bring it through this way. You can just click on your furniture. When you click on your furniture, you see it. Then you just go here and you want to import the things in your furniture. You can just include another file in this furniture. just include another file by saying okay. But I usually don't like it that way. I prefer bringing in this through this method, so it will be differentiated, and maybe if you are looking for any of the material you want to use or the object you want to use and you are finding it difficult, you just expand it. You just expand it like this, and it will be very easy for you to go through it. Maybe if you didn't see it this way, you come here, you come to draw, you come to this draw. Maybe you want to use this. Then when you come here and you have seen what you want, you just close it and go back. When you go back, it should just show you, and you just drag whatever you want to drag to wherever you want to put it in. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood this. It's just as easy. So many people may teach you other things that will be difficult, but in this Atlantis 2021 is this easy. The interface of Atlantis 2020, 2021, and the newer ones are very easy to learn. That it is the reason why it is advisable to use the newer versions. Thank you so much, and I hope you understood what we did.